first hole in the door.
We have a hole in our door.
Alright, so we put a pretty good sized bead around the outside of the window. This flange here. We just stuck it in the window. Now we're screwing the back flange to this window here. Don't be alarmed. The window, when you put it in, you're gonna be like, this thing is not deep enough. But once you start cinching the screws down, it's gonna compact the foam in the window to make it seal. And you're gonna tighten them. You're gonna get them all set, and then you're gonna start tightening them down to close them all evenly down. And again, like I said, we silicone the outside of the window. So once you do that, you go ahead and start cinching everything down. You'll be good to go. We'll catch you back in a few minutes. All right, guys. So we got the window installed here. It is now it's definitely a bit nerve-wracking cutting a hole in your door, putting a window in. But we did get it. So the last step, I'm just cleaning the caulk off now. But if you look here, these screws here are what cinch the whole shell together. I had to add another one over here because it was a little bulge. So they give you extra screws in case you got to add some. But as you can see, we got a nice tight fit. And windows now installed. Now we're just putting on the last touches, trying to clean up some silicone that was on there. But if I can do it, you can do it. Good luck.